How to fix Shazam not working on Android. If the Shazam application isn't working on Android, there could be various underlying issues. First of all, Shazam requires access to an active internet connection to search for any type of song and to extract the data from the web. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection. The second is if you're using Shazam on Android, like I'm saying, you can just long press the Shazam app icon here. Tap on this I button, which will take you to app info. This setting will be found on any Android. Then go to storage usage. Here you can just clear the cache files of Shazam. Now the thing that Shazam app requires is access to your microphone. And if it's lacking access to your microphone, it cannot recognize the songs in the background. Now to fix that, you can just go to the permissions tab from here and go to microphone and make sure that you've allowed while using the app. Or you can also set this to ask every time. But if you set to don't allow, what happens is it does not have access to microphone. As a result, won't be able to identify the songs in the process. And you also want to make sure that your Shazam app is updated to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.